Okay, so welcome back again to another Foxtecc video. In this one, we take a look at the iPhone and the annoying Apple Wallet passes that keep showing up on the lock screen all the time. So I'll show you how to remove them and make them not show up anymore. Okay, so you're about to attend an event or use a ticket, but the pass keeps popping up on your lock screen. Let's fix that. First off, locate the pass or ticket displayed on your lock screen just before the event or anytime it shows up, but it usually does beforehand. You'll see it there close to the bottom, ready to be accessed. Now, to remove it, you have two options. You can either tap on the pass directly from the lock screen or open the wallet app and select the pass from there. It is the same thing. Once you've accessed the pass, it's time to flip one very important setting, or toggle you could say, and make sure it doesn't show up anymore on your lock screen for good. Within the pass details, you'll notice 3 dots or lines depending on your iOS version. Tap on them to reveal additional options. From here, select Pass Details. This will take you to a screen where you can manage various settings related to the pass. Now, here's the crucial step. Look for the option labeled Suggest on Lock Screen. Usually somewhere closer to the top, pretty simply accessible. It's a toggle switch that determines whether the pass will continue to appear on your lock screen or not. Simply tap on the switch to disable it and prevent the pass from reappearing. Once you've unchecked the Suggest on Lock Screen toggle switch, you're all set. Your iPhone will no longer bother you with that pass on your lock screen. You've successfully decluttered your digital space, and there you have it, a simple way to remove unwanted Apple Wallet passes from your iPhone's lock screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button for future updates. Peace.